My name's Ben. I'm an organiser with South London Citizens for Living Wage. So we're going to be visiting 8 different employers. We may be. We'll see how far we get. The last 3 organisation places we're going to visit are all the same employer. So we're going to be starting in the Globe. Then we're going to move to the Tate Modern. Then we're going to go to the National Theatre. Then we're going to go to the BFI. We're going to the National Theatre, the London Eye, London Dungeon, and the Aquarium, which are all owned by Merlin Entertainments, who also own Alton Towers, a massive company. In talks with the Mayor of London to potentially become a living wage employer. So it's a good time to give them some stick, basically. So we have these letters, which are individually bespoke letters for each one. We also have leaflets for when we go in. We want to give the workers inside who receive them a leaflet, because we don't want to just talk to bosses. We also want to talk to workers who might be interested to get involved. And if anyone asks you what we're doing, just come grab me. I have a bunch of leaflets. Some of them are massive, unfortunately. And we want to get people involved on the street as well. Just if you could just pass it on to them directly, that would be much appreciated. We'll also be following up with an email after, just to make sure that they got it. So if you could just let them know that we're here to discuss the living wage with them, that would be great.
Okay, absolutely.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day. Yeah.
Bye,
cheers. Bye.
This is for your artistic director, I guess.
Okay.
Could you pass that on to someone who might be able to hand it to in person?
Yeah, I will. Yeah, find a relevant person.
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I'll follow up with an email as well, and any questions, any details.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Can I ask?
I would like.
I don't want to get kicked out before we give it the letter. Yeah, I'm actually a princess. This is my
It's better from there and
So, why were you feeling outly buzzy? Oh, I think that last interaction we just had was really uplifting. The manager said she's going to get people to put it in the staff survey, which they send back to the CEO. So that could be another way to get it, communicate with, what was he called? Chris or something.
Algo que haya salido bien de hoy y otra cosa que puede ser mejorada para la próxima acción. ¿Sí?
Having time to spend chatting to each other as we walked,
Okay.
and taking it in turns, each people getting a chance to, because it's a nice little ease.
So the one-to-one.
To step up and give out, to take it in turns to speak to people.
Great.
I also appreciated having the chance to chat to lots of different people as we walked. I think having it stretched across was really nice. So yeah, it gave space for conversation.
everyone played a role today, even despite that maybe the language barrier, just accompanying someone. Everyone did a role today in the action, so that was really good to see.
I love the Southern Citizens have done great. It's lovely to be so supported on the living wage by Southern Citizens. It's 4 or 5 organisations, maybe 10 people. So big thanks to Southern Citizens. Leadership development as well. People doing your second action today. Some people taking their first action today. Organisers, colleagues like Ben and Carrie done amazing. So your leadership development, diversity. I like and then what people said about the mixing and the talking. I love that as well. Yeah.
I put an arbitrary 2 hours on it, when obviously we should have probably thought about timings a bit more clearly, and then we might have been a bit more okay, because I was just okay, it's 1:45 now, should we start? Yeah, let's start. Okay, let's go. Bit of an arbitrary 2 hours. Maybe should have been a bit more considered, a bit more thought out. But I enjoyed it a lot.
I enjoyed also all the institutions, and the fact that we had a bit of time to do one-to-ones as well, get to meet new leaders that have come for the first time to an action. And one of the leaders who already left said that if we had a map of the places that we were going to visit, it would have been helpful because she invited somebody else who wanted to catch up and didn't know where to go. So it'd be maybe for next time very helpful to have that list of places and the times approximately that we were going to be there. So that's it.
Alice?
I mean, I agree with most of what you said. I think I really enjoyed speaking to people. I've enjoyed being outside, and actually that's been really nice to see different organisations and the scale. So that we feel confident doing that in front of one another. You know what I mean? Yeah. But yeah, great. Thank you.
And yeah, I guess like for me, as someone that's not done something that many things like this before, the concept of maybe going up and having those conversations could maybe be a bit daunting for different personality types maybe, and maybe if there's an alternative that shows sort of support or a way to be involved that maybe isn't so like I have to go and talk to a stranger, maybe that could be a bit scary for some people. But also well done for everyone that did it, because I rate it.
I kind of enjoyed not necessarily having like a formal introduction. We kind of just were walking along and it was more natural in that way. I think for me, I felt that was quite organic and nice. So yeah, I'd improve on for next time. Again, like at the beginning, just a little bit more time with the role play and what we're saying. And yeah, but apart from that, yeah, it was great. Great group of people.
Sylvia, what?